Hi, I'm Bill Thompson III from Redstart Birding, and we're doing today's cleaning up some demo models that have been out on the road at our various events, and we're going to get them ready to sell at special demo prices. So this is a Swarovski CL Companion, their new compact binocular, and I've just been looking over the outside body here. You got to clean the grease, if there's any, off with just a little, like a Windex or a light cleaner, and I've already kind of done that. Also notice a lot of times that I need to take off a little bit of makeup or sunscreen or whatever that's around the eye cups. You know, these things are never, after they've been out as demos, they're never going to be pristine just like they are out of the box. But our goal here with cleaning them is to get them as close as possible to that just new, pristine, like they were just born condition. These lenses are already very clean. What I do first is I look at the lenses for any marks, any smudges, any grit, and I brush them off real lightly with this sable brush that comes in our Birdwatcher's Digest Optics cleaning kit. And you just want to loosen any dust particles or breadcrumbs or Cheeto dust that's on there, and you get that stuff loosened up real well, and you make sure it's not on there. So when you come back with a little cleaner on a lens cloth, and you're just lightly rubbing to get that last bit of schmutz off of there, you're not rubbing anything in there like a grain of sand or something gritty that's going to scratch the coatings on the lenses. So these guys are really very, very clean, and just a quick little brushing ought to do it. And these CL Companions are ready to be packed up and put up on our website as a demo model for sale. So check it out. Thank you.